Instant noodles and mayonnaise. Oh yes, may goreng pancit canton plus mayo. So this is it. To me, instant noodles, may goreng pancit canton. There you go. This brand that I suggest you. This is so good. At the level at the back, how you cook it or how you prepare. That's the steps. This is the mayonnaise, the mayo. And yes, I never take a video while I'm cooking because there is a instruction at the back of the noodles. And there you go, preparing the sauce. Yeah, I prepared this is powder. Some of the sauce. This is the sauce inside the noodles. This one. And yeah, let's go and cut that. Cut that part, so we'll drop it there in the plate. Another throw of this squeezes to my hand, but I wash my hands. This, yeah, I clean my hands before I touch this. And this one, powder, the powder, the powder. And another powder again. Powder. Yes, we're going to mix this sauce. Powder. Just 2 packs of mee goreng. And the one. Just I take my time to cut this kind of. And prepare the sauce. Just kidding. It's like a little slow. Excuses with that. And that one. There you go. And next is, excuses to my English. This is the real mayonnaise. So I add the mayo. It's like 2 tablespoons in here. It's up to you if how much you can add of mayo in there. So, nasa sa inyo na yun kung gusto nyo madami or hindi. Basta sa akin, 2 tablespoon lang. Ganyan na siya. So, ayan. Here we go. Ito na. Umpisahan na natin mag-mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix it together with the sauce. Yeah, mix it together with the sauce, but for a while, I'm finding something that I never know where is it. But yeah, this pork. There you go, the pork. Mix it well. Oh, there you go. Mix, mix, mix. Haluin mo lang ng sobrang halo para ma-mix talaga yung mayo. Mix it very well with the mayo, and that what I did. Mix it, mix it, mix it. And yeah, there you go. It's creamy, kind of creamy sauce. That's looks like there in my video. It's creamier, yeah, it's creamier. And that one, look at that. There you go. That's the finished product with the mayo and the sauce of the Pancit Canton mee goreng. Ayan na. So, ito na mo. Ayan. Ito naman, ito na yung dalawa. Ito yung dalawang ginamit ko. That. Just 2 noodles. So, ayan na. Tapos na, dinidrain ko na. I drained it already. Dinidrain ko na yan. So, may konting tubig yan. Kasi gusto ko medyo masauce konti. Just a little bit sauce. Yeah, this one. Yes, this brand is so far this brand is good for mayonnaise to mix with, because I tried another brand, it's not good, but I don't know, but yeah, this brand is good for mixing the mayo and the sauce so far for me that I tried. Oh, this one, I guess I overcooked the noodles in here. So if you don't overcook the noodles, Huwag niyo i-overcook kasi hindi siya masyadong masarap pag overcook. Ito kasi na-overcook ko siya konti. Kaya nagkaganyan, medyo hindi maganda yung pagkaluto. Pero goods na rin yan sa akin. Sakto na yan. Ayan, ihalong-halo mo lang siya ng halong-halo. Mix na lang ng mix. Para ma-absorb lahat. So, the noodles will absorb all the sauce in there. There you go. Mix it very well. Yan. Halo lang ng halo, girl. Yan. Haluin mo pa. Sige. Ayun na. Okay. Mix it lang. Mix. Yan. Talaga lang. Ayan na. So, there you go. This is the finished product. Look at that. So, it's more creamier if you add some mayo in there. For sure, some of you there, you tried this, but this is my first time that I tried mayo and the noodles. And this looks like, this is a finished product. Ito na yung Pancit Canton may goreng na may mayonnaise. Ayan na. Oh, sobrang sarap to. Oh, yan. So, kung gusto mo, if you want, you can get some. Just kidding. Yeah. Tara, mukhang ito sobrang sarap to. Mukhang sarap talaga siya. Kaya, tumutulo lang yung laway ko dito. Joke lang. Hindi, just kidding, no? So, ayan na yung product ko. Natapos ko na siya. Creamy, that. But, yes, you can add some eggs in here. Hard-boiled egg or some side-up egg if you like. You can have that. That's the best. And ito na siya. So, for now, I didn't get some egg. Just plain like that. Yan yung gusto ko kasi kung wala namang egg, meron namang rice. If you don't have egg, grab some rice. That's it. Or bread. Ayan na siya. Ito na yun. Diyos ko, ang sarap naman. Diyos ko naman. Nawala talaga yung diet ko nito. Walang diet na to. Ito na siya. Ayan na siya. Yung noodles. Ayan na yung sauce. And-mix na natin ng mabuti. Ayan na. Girl. Okay. Yan. Try natin ganyan. Pero, ganyan naman. Yan na siya. So, mukhang kakain na talaga ako nito kasi inaangat-angat ko na yung tinidor. Hindi. But, dalawa kaming kakain nito. Hindi lang ako. Hati kami. Ayan na. This is, I shared this one with my cousin. Maybe you guys think that I can finish this whole noodles in one plate. No, I shared this to my cousin. And yeah, ito na siya. Ayan na. Sus ko. I prepared some rice of this, so that's it. But yeah, if you don't like rice, you can eat it without rice. That's fine. Okay, ito na. Kakain na. Ito na yung time to eat. Umpisahan ko na to. Ayan na. Kakain na tayo. Mukhang hindi ko na talaga siya natiis dito. Tikman ko na talaga siya. Ayan na. Sige. Ayan. Go girl. Hurry. You're so excited of this. Kain na talaga to. You're going to eat. You're so excited, ha? Just joking. Ito na. Kakain na, titikman na. Oh, masarap talaga siya. Ayan na. Sarap siya. Ito na. Dalawahin pa. Oh, I'll add more. So, ayan na. Lamon lamon talaga. Lamon to. Sarap. Yes, masarap siya. If ever you guys wanna try, you should try like this.